Lost Ship by Stephen Colborne.
Sunday, 5th of December, 1872. The weather is fine. The wind is blowing and the ship is sailing quickly. The men are happy. We are sailing between Cuba and Florida. We are going to be in Florida soon. We are going to reach Florida in 3 or 4 days.
This is the captain of the ship. He is in his cabin. He is writing in the ship's logbook. The captain writes in the logbook every day. He writes about the weather, and he writes about the ship. He also writes about the men on the ship. The ship is old. It is a sailing ship. The wind blows and the ship sails. The captain and his men are going home. They are going to reach home soon. They are well and happy. Captain, there's a strange ship near us. Can you come on deck? Now, the captain and all the men are on deck. They are looking at the strange ship.
It's a very strange ship. There's no name on the ship. There are no men on deck. Where are the ship's men?
The captain is shouting.
Hello? Is anybody there? Can you hear me? Is anybody there?
But there is no answer from the strange ship. Where are the men on the ship? Are they ill? The captain gets into a small boat. 2 men go in the boat with him. They row across to the strange ship. They are going to look for the men on the ship. The captain is on the deck of the strange ship. The 2 men are with him. They walk along the deck. They go to the ship's wheel. There is nobody at the wheel. Nobody is steering the ship. The ship is sailing in the wind. The wind is steering the ship. The captain shouts,
Is anybody here?
There is no answer. There is nobody on deck. The captain is below deck. He is looking for the ship's men. He cannot find them. Now he is in the cabin where the men eat. There is a table. There is food on the table. But who is going to eat the food? There is water in the jug. But who is going to drink the water? There is a cigar in the ashtray. But who is smoking the cigar? This is the captain's cabin. But the captain is not here. There is nobody in the cabin. There is a table and a chair. The ship's logbook and a photograph are on the table. The ship's logbook is open.
Thursday, 25th of November, 1869. Where are we? Somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean? Somewhere between Bermuda and Florida? I don't know. The ship is in a thick white mist. I cannot see the sun or stars. There is no wind. The ship is not moving. Every day I pray for wind. When will the wind come? The men are angry. They want to leave the ship. They want to take the small boat. They want to row to Florida. They want to go home. Friday, 26th of November, 1869. The men are getting into the small boat. They are going to row to Florida. Saturday, 27th of November, 1869. I am alone. I am waiting for the wind.
The captain reads the logbook. He sees the photograph on the table. He picks it up. He looks at the photograph.
No, it can't be.
The captain looks at the photograph. It is a photograph of a man. The captain looks in the mirror on the cabin wall. He looks at his face in the mirror. He looks at the face in the photograph. They are the same. It is a photograph of himself. The captain runs up on deck. There is a thick white mist around the ship. The captain looks around. He can see nobody. He can see nothing. Where is his ship? Where are his men? He cannot see the sun. He is alone.
I do not know the date. Where am I? I do not know. I am the captain of this ship. I must sail the ship. Where am I going? I do not know. What is my name? What is the name of this ship? I do not know. I am waiting. Another ship is going to come. Another captain is going to take my place. Then I can rest. I am waiting.